Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 11th, which is the 2nd of November. It's Friday, 2018, 4 a.m. We did stop on the idea of host business. It's a hardware 24/7, 365 days, and we said there's an operating system, there's a service or a server helping to send marketing documents, which is the website, and there's some databases, there's some programming languages like PHP, Perl, and so on. There's a lot of programming languages. Now, what does that mean? Like, if you said, as a system we are going to use Mobilize, good, and this will provide me with a folder. I can see it here. Like, if we would do some projects, we will see it here. I have this folder. Now I will upload this folder. Like, what is the output here? The output is a folder as HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files, JavaScript files. And when we say JavaScript files, this is the programming, like this is the server side programming languages that handle the user input. Like, JavaScript is about animation, and it is about handling the user activity, like locally. Good. But usually it's an animation. Good. And like, for example, the user did input numbers. Like, he's now, the user is inputting numbers. No, we want him to, we want to notify him that you should type letters. This is JavaScript. In forums will help. Like, it's really a huge help. This is the client side thing. Good. The end is we have a folder. Like, here's a folder. Here's the end. Like, the end of the story, we create, like, this system will create a folder. Here's a new folder. Here's a folder. Usually this folder is like this, a new folder. If you ask the sales agent, what do you have like as paperwork, they will say we have the Y list and we have the presentation script. Like, all of that is being handled to us by sales department and marketing department. Good. So now, since website is a folder, and this thing here, these folders, like these files, represent this folder. Like, we are going to build this thing. Then we will have this folder, and we need a hardware that working 20. Like, this sales agent is now 365 days. Like, this is the bait. Good. Now the idea here that this is what we help the sales department and marketing department. This option, 24/7, 365 days, you can generate leads. Good. And there's web callback tick. Now, Linux is an operating system. Apache is the server that allow us to make this work. And MySQL, if it is, there's some databases involved. Like, since we need to store people first name and phone number to have access on them, or email address, for marketing plan, so we can execute an online marketing plan. And PHP is the idea. We are going to save their names now. Good. Which will bring us to the idea of, I want to select now a host service. I know that host service is a computer that works 365 days with everything I need to work my folder. Like, this folder will work here. Now they call it host plan. For example, like, I did use Hostinger. Single shared hosting, annual pay every 12 months was $28. If I said single shared hosting, that will be 2.4. If I said we need a domain, like this is the computer and this is the domain,